Protein is one of the most important nutrients that is required by the body, especially when you are trying to lose weight. There are some vegetarian protein-rich foods like paneer, dal, and spinach that will help you lose weight. Protein not only helps you lose weight, but it also prevents muscle loss. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Protein is one of the most important nutrients that is required by the body, especially when you are trying to lose weight. It is said to help boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and change several weight-regulating hormones. Protein tends to increase levels of satiety, while reducing your levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin. A high protein intake helps boost metabolism due to its high thermic effect and several other factors, which further helps you burn more calories. Additionally, protein has a powerful effect on both cravings and the desire to snack at night. So, if you are loading up on enough protein during breakfast, chances are you will less prone to cravings and overeating through the day. However, there are studies to suggest that most people tend to not consume enough protein in their daily diets, due to which they are left to grapple with weight issues. Protein not only helps you lose weight, but it also prevents muscle loss, which further facilitates weight loss. The more muscle you have, the lesser room there is for fat to accumulate. Now that you know how important protein is to your body, especially when you are trying to cut the tummy bulge, we tell you the main sources of this nutrients and why you should add them to your daily diet. There are a number of amino acids that are produced in the body, whereas others need to be consumed with your meals. While a meat eater doesn't have any problem getting the full range of amino acids in, vegetarians find it difficult to achieve that. This is why vegetarians must be aware about the variety of protein-rich dietary sources available to them. Sources of protein. Some of the highest protein is found in meats, chicken, and fish. While most of us are non-vegetarians who can easily get enough proteins from them, there are some who like to stick to vegetarian diet. We enlist the best vegetarian protein-rich foods to lose weight and burn belly fat. Vegetarian protein-rich foods for weight loss. Number 1. Lentils, dal. About a cupful of cooked dal has 18 grams of protein. Lentils can not only be eaten as dal curries, but can be tossed in salads and soups. Lentils are said to contain good amounts of slowly digested carbs, and are good sources of fiber, which is important for your weight loss journey. Moreover, they also consist of folate, manganese, and iron, all of which are important for keeping healthy. Number 2. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, or chana, come under the category of legumes and are high in protein content. It is known that a cup of cooked or boiled chana has about 15 grams of protein to offer. Moreover, they are a great source of iron, complex carbs, fiber, folate, phosphorus, potassium, manganese, and several other plant compounds that are beneficial for health. Number 3. Amaranth and quinoa. These gluten-free grains are said to offer enough proteins for the day. Amaranth and quinoa are a complete source of proteins and are said to keep you fuller for longer, thereby preventing you from overeating. Number 4. Spinach. Did you know that spinach has as much protein as a hard-boiled egg and for half the calories? Maximize its nutritive value by steaming it instead of eating it raw. Steamed spinach helps retain vitamins, facilitate absorption of calcium, and ward off bloating. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are natural weight loss pills. Consuming just a few almonds daily can help lose weight effectively. In fact, according to a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, you can eat them just before hitting the gym as they are rich in amino acid L-arginine that helps burn more fats and carbs during workouts. Number 6. Paneer or cottage cheese. Cottage cheese, or paneer, is super low in calories and fat, and is high in protein content. Moreover, it is a rich source of calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and various other nutrients that are required to lose weight in a healthy way. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is a super healthy vegetable that is loaded with vitamin C, protein, vitamin K, and fiber, all of which are important nutrients for weight loss. Boil, steam, or bake it, broccoli makes for an amazing veggie that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Make sure you add these vegetarian high-protein foods that will help you lose weight the healthy way. Make sure you complement these foods with exercises and a fit lifestyle. A sustainable weight loss is not possible without an ideal combination of the two factors. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.